Hi guys! It is 11:16 ng gabi. 16 p.m. Today is Saturday. Punta tayo ng airport. Susunduin natin yung family ni Janine sa airport. Galing sila sa Philippines. Mag-stay sila dito for a few days or for a few weeks. Next na clip is magpapagas muna tayo, tapos punta na tayo sa airport. Update ko na lang kayo sa airport mamaya. Ito sila Janine, tapos kasama rin si Pepper dyan. Mamaya na lang ulit. Sandali pala. Takbo ka na naman. Come here. We're in Kmart. How about this?
OMG! Another century toy box. Let's open it. This is okay. What do you mean it's okay? I hate my box. Hey, it's another surprise. All new toys to connect.
We're excited to join my vlog. Do you want to bake cookies or
what?
cupcake? This is
Cookies. Yeah, I just want to do that.
You want that?
Yeah. And you can
Like that one?
the rainbow coconuts. Ooh, you mean M&M's?
I don't know. What does it say? What's better to me? 3 days and 2 nights. So, ang video ang room tour dito sa Airbnb. So, pagpasok mo, ganyan siya. And on your left, dito yung shower. Saan yung shower? Shower. Kitchen.
Diretso.
Ito yung first room. Yan. Second room. Super. Ang laki niya. Malaki siya. 3 bedrooms siya. Tapos mayroong balcony dito sa harap. Ganda. Sobrang taas. Ganda ng view. Malapit lang to. 5 minutes lang yung walk going to Queen Victoria. So, on to the third bedroom. Yun na. Lagi ba? Room tour. Ito na yung third room. And meron siyang sariling bathroom. Ganyan siya. Pasukin natin yung bathroom. Same din siya nung nandun sa kabila. Nice. Ang ganda. Let's go to the balcony. Here.
Balcony? Sure. The balcony is going to be so much fun. See? I told you it would be so much fun. Look at the mirror.
I know.
Anything. I can see the buildings, the cars, people. Yes, I like going there. So if we stand my way and they'll wake up and everyone's still sleeping, I will go out of my bedroom, go to the balcony and look at the other person who is sleeping.
Sleeping. lang namin and nakapag shower na si Yuna. Shower ka na? Yes. Oh, show them. What did you buy? What is it?
It's a 3D printed axolotl.
Axolotl.
So,
With
let's
calamansi. Is
With
that calamansi?
the Texas favorite food.
Oh, say good night na.
Good
See you
night.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please.
Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.